Well, the air conditioning system looks like it might have leaked at one time around that fitting right there. But I don't know, because what is that? Oh, I see what that is. It is a spider web right there. Cobweb, you say. Yeah, I haven't driven a truck in a long time. I need to drive it. But it looks good. I haven't really tested the air conditioner in it. Let's see if it works. Old expansion valve system. Here is the receiver dryer. And of course, behind that big gob of insulation right there is the expansion valve. Okay, so let's start it, see if it works. Oh yeah, I robbed the CD player out of it. It's currently in my F-150, but I'm getting ready to get a new one for it, and I'll put the old one back in here. I had a Pioneer in here and it finally died a couple years back. Okay, setting idle. Looks like about 80-ish degrees in here. It usually starts easier than this. There we go. Of course, it's probably about out of gas, but should have enough in it to try the air conditioner. Okay, these old systems are a little different. It doesn't have a max and a normal AC setting. The way this works is you just slide the lever to AC, and with the temperature lever all the way to the left is max, and it has a detent, and you just slide it that way. That is the same as normal. I don't know why they thought that was a good idea. Well, let's try the air out. Oh, the compressor kicks on. And it looks like the temperature is coming down. Well, maybe not. It doesn't look good. It's not getting any cooler. Flight glass. There might be a small amount in it. I feel a slight temperature change in the hose. But not really cool enough. Okay, well, there's one more thing. Evaporator's got a lot of leaves in it. it's not even getting cool either. Okay, so evidently the charge has went down. I couldn't remember if it was working or not. No, it doesn't even work. Okay, so we'll do a diagnosis on it and find out what exactly is where it's leaking at anyway. Thanks for watching.